This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Michelle Carter Smith. The search is over. This home offers desirable one-level living, is move-in ready, and is located in an established neighborhood near schools, shopping, and parks. The roof was replaced in 2023, a new fence was installed in 2024, and a new furnace was installed in 2021. The spacious driveway has an area for RV parking, and the garage offers a utility sink and washer/dryer hookups. All shelving in the garage is included. Lots of opportunities abound in the fully fenced backyard. Entertain on the large patio or deck, plant vegetables, or enjoy the flower beds that have all-season blooming perennials, succulents, and herbs. An 8x8 garden/tool shed offers a space for storage. There is a yard for the kids and a dog run for your pet. Both the exterior and interior have been recently painted, and the bedrooms offer new carpet. The interior enjoys plenty of natural light, and the updated kitchen includes all appliances, under cabinet lighting, and pull-out storage. Both bathrooms have new fixtures as well as water-saving features. The spacious living room has a cozy gas fireplace for chilly evenings. Enjoy the benefits of owning this well-maintained and beautiful home. Open house is Saturday, May 17th, 1 to 3 p.m. For more information, review the